What if they never killed Shaka? What if the man they feared most was never building an empire of conquest, but an empire of unity? The wars he fought were not wars of greed, they were wars of purpose. To unite the scattered clans, to build an Africa strong enough to stand before the world. But those who killed him never understood the mission. They saw power, not protection. They saw control, not vision. And when they took his life, they took the dream of a united nation, one that could trade with dignity and rule its own destiny. What if they never killed Shaka? Would Africa have remained whole, or was the dream destined to die with him?